Hello friends, welcome to SPN Consultancy. I am back again with another useful video. So today's video will be on the Gemini astrology. I will be giving you the topic on the Karakas of Gemini astrology. So before that, anybody new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. And I am thankful to all of you, those who have liked, shared, and subscribed my channel. Thank you so much. So let's start. Let me share my screen so that it will be easier for all of you to understand. So before that, let me tell you, in Gemini astrology, the Karakas are Atma Karaka, Amatya Karaka, Bhratu Karaka, Matru Karaka, Putra Karaka, Gyati Karaka, and Dar Karaka. The sequence in this is that the planet which is of higher degree, that will be called as the Amatya Karaka. And after that Amatya Karaka, the lower degree than Amatya Karaka, that will be called as the uh, Amatya Karaka. And after Amatya Karaka, the lower degree after Amatya Karaka, that will be of Bhratu Karaka. So it will be going in the decreasing way. So let me show you here with an example. In this example, these are the planets and these are the degrees of these planets. So here the planet Mercury, so here the planet Mercury is of 22 degree and 43 minutes. So it is of the highest degree. So in that case, this will be Atma Karaka of this chart, as because this is of highest degree among all these planets. And one more thing, in Gemini astrology, we don't take Rahu and Ketu according to K. N. Rao sir. So our Atma Karaka will be Mercury, as it is of 22:43 minutes. Then next to that will be Amatya Karaka. So the Amatya Karaka here will be Saturn planet, because Saturn will be of lower degree than Mercury. It is of 16 degree 58 minutes. So this is Amatya Karaka. After that, the lower degree than Amatya Karaka is, that will be Jupiter planet, that is of 6 degree 37 minutes. So this will be Matru Karaka. And after that, the Bhratu Karaka will be Venus planet, which is of 5 degree 27 minutes. This is lower than Jupiter degree. So Venus will be the Matru Karaka. And after Matru Karaka, the lower degree than Venus will be of Sun. So Sun here will be Putra Karaka. Sun will be of Putra Karaka. And the lower degree then Sun will be of Moon, that is 1 degree 22 minutes. So that will be Gyati Karaka. Some used to say Gyati Karaka and others used to say Ganati Karaka. So both are same. So moon will be of Gyati Karaka, that will be 1 degree 22 minutes. And after Gyati Karaka, the last will be Dar Karaka. Dar Karaka will be Mars, that is of 0 degree. So this is the lowest degree in this planetary combination. So Mars will be the Dara Karaka of this chart. So here I want to tell you that regarding Atma Karaka, the Atma Karaka will be the self. This will be Atma Karaka, the self, our body. We see our personality, our self from Atma Karaka. And from Amatya Karaka, we used to see our business, finance, cash, liquidity, we used to see from the Amatya Karaka. The Amatya Karaka, the planet which is in this chart is Saturn. Here is the Saturn. And after Amatya Karaka, the third planet will be Matru Karaka, that is Jupiter. Jupiter Matru Karaka. Matru Karaka relates to mother. And next will be Bhratu Karaka. Bhratu Karaka, sorry, the third will be Bhratu Karaka. Bhratu Karaka relates to brothers. And after Bhratu Karaka, that will be Matru Karaka, that relates to mother and property, vehicles. And after Matru Karaka, it will be Putra Karaka, that will be related to our sons. After Putra Karaka, it will be Gyati Karaka. Gyati Karaka will be relates to our obstacles, diseases, problems. And after Gyati Karaka, the next will be, and the last will be Dara Karaka. Dara Karaka relates to our spouse. Our spouse will be called as Dara Karaka. That will be of the lowest degrees. So it's of great importance when we are doing our predictions through Gemini astrology. It's of great help. I will be bringing few more videos on Gemini astrology. It's quite important. It's also very easy to give the predictions through Gemini astrology. So if this video is useful or informative to you, then do share and like it. And if you have any comments regarding this, then you can comment me in the comment box so that I can reply to you. And if anybody wants the consultation from me, they can mail me. My mailing address will be in the description box. And I will be bringing few more videos, interesting videos. So do watch it. It will also be very informative. So that's all till now. Thank you. Thanks a lot.